Is there a bundle of joy on the way from Zanzi's favorite Sizo Chouete? I don't even know if I pronounced her name right. If I didn't, apologies. The streets are talking and the receipts are starting to pile up, okay? Meanwhile, men across social media are disappointed with DJ Shimza. Hey fam, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Set it to all so you don't miss out on anything. Now let's get into this tea. Men across social media are very disappointed and very expressive when it comes to DJ Shimza lately, with remarks like he had to compromise himself to get to the next level in his career, international DJ, and that he's slowly becoming a baddie.
Ufuna ukusikhulumisa uShimza ke manje. Angisho niyambona. Mina ngi-understand i-behavior yakhe these days ke uShimza ke. Abangamazi uDJ Shimza lona. He's a international DJ we Afro House. Hayi ufuna ukusikhulumisa manje. Niyambona? Angisho nasibona isandla. Niyambona? Nje these days angim-understand since aslimile nje uShimza. These days angim-understand nje. Ngoba nalaphana ku5FM bekane interview laphana. Kune video beyirotate nje la ku social media. Indlela akhuluma ngayo, ngakhona izandla, ama-actions wakhe. Hayi, Mall of Africa ubonakele laphana hamba lapha indlela ahamba ngayo. Angisho niyambona ufuna ukusikhulumisa, angisho niyambona. Ufuna vele sikhuluma, angisho niyambona. Hayi bafethu mina ngim-understand ke uShimzororo ukuthi manje wenzani manje. Hayi Shimza mfana kithi thina sikwazi u-straight. Please ungasitsheli ukuthi soyi-after 9. Ungasitsheli ukuthi soyi-after 9. Since uslimile nje angiku-understand mfana kithi kanti kwenzakalani? Hayi khona. Shimza siyakuncanywa siyakufrustana. Uyazi one of the best DJ in the country. Mara maso shayela ama-action manje wezandla manje. Hayi. Hayi mfana kithi. Hayi. Khona into off ngoShimza bafethu. Nizothi ngishilo. Khona into off ngoShimza. Hayi khona mina ngim-understand ke manje mfethu. Hawu Shimza mfethu wasijikela nje singabalandeli bakho, wasijikela endleleni mfana kithi, wasijikela endleleni manje. Thina sisabambe ukuthi wena uyindoda esidudla eshaya inamba. Jikidi wena manje sowuslimile manje, sowula wena manje. Hayi khona Shimza mfethu. Sibuya kude nawe kanjena mfana kithi. Hayi khona. Ungasishayi ngama-surprise mfana kithi. Please, ungasishayi ngama-surprise. Siyakuncanywa, you one of the best mfethu. Uyasirepresenta nase-Europe. Kodwa le yona hayi khona mfana kithi. Hayi khona. Le yona hayi Shimza mfethu. Or mhlambe kune hit ofuna ukuyikhipha. Manje ufuna sikhulume la ku social media. Ufuna sikhulume mawuceda udrope. Ngoba phela most of artists banayo lento ukuthi ba create i-trend. Then mase ibamba umlilo i-trend ba drop. Kodwa le hayi khona. Awuthi ngithule ngoba bazothi sengithe. Kodwa niyambona.
This is your boy Shimza, and I'm excited to see you guys at Ultra SA this year. You know, that's powered by 5FM.
Hayi, uShimza wethu esimthandayo lo. Kwenzakaleni ngaye? Ubuyaphi? Wabuya sekanje sekanqamuka ingalo. Hayi. Yabona ke ama side effects we-Ozempic. Uzosilimaza le.
This DJ Shimza thing is really so funny to me. And there's nothing wrong with the way that he expresses himself and the way that he speaks. That is just not what I expected. I realized that I've only ever seen him behind the deck. I even thought he only had an upper torso because I've only seen him behind the decks. And again, I say there's nothing wrong with it. I just expected, like, I don't know what I expected. Maybe it's like some Pretoria boy, like, hey, why Jaja Trekela? Hey, boy, I don't know. But like I said, there's literally nothing wrong with this because I know someone's going to be like, oh, you are reinforcing gay stereotypes. Like, kindly, this is just an analysis. I have no issue with it.
the whole DJ Shimza issue and the cyberbullying going around is the reason why I retired from being a man. This is another reason. Every day I remember how I made a very great decision to retire and resign from being a man, because there is this sort of control that society and the patriarchy and the system feels like it has on you as a man. They believe that they have a way that you should behave. There's a way that you should behave. There's a way that you should act. There's a way that you should do this, spend your mind. There's a way you should dress, the way you should move as a man in order to validate your own manhood. This is why, as you see now, this whole mob is part of the system to try and control your livelihood and control your life as a man. And if you give in to these things, as much as you are part of the people bullying Shimza here into behaving a certain way, you are also restricting yourself to that stereotype of what a man is. You are also restricting yourself to the type of behaviors you are allowed to portray in society in order to be validated as a man. Like I said before, the brotherhood, the manhood, what manosphere, whatever it is, it feels like it owns your life. It feels like it has some right to dictate how you should behave as a man, what you should drink, what your mannerism should be. A man should not drink ciders, a man should not do this, a man should not be too happy, a man shouldn't dance, a man should not play with his daughter. This is why I resigned from being a man. Like, I wouldn't care anyways, even if I get these allegations and all of that, but I'm just making this video to make you know that this is the reason why there's such a huge male dissatisfaction issue, because we are being micromanaged not only by ourselves, but by our mothers, our sisters, our brothers. The whole of society is trying to push us towards this stereotypical way of being, which is very, very not natural to all of us. Who decided what the stereotypical man should be and what behaviors they should have in order to be certified as men? Because everyone seems to know. Everyone seems to know. A man should act like this. A man should be like this. This one is not manly. Hey, after nine. I feel like the greatest insult they can ever tell you as a man is that you're an after nine. If you can bypass that ever affecting you and you let go and you don't give it power and you don't give it attention, you'll be one of the most free and happy men in the world. If you can get over the allegations of being called gay, the allegations of being called a simp and not man enough, and resign from manhood or brotherhood, whatever this is, you will experience a type of joy and happiness that no other man, okay, some men are in the same mission, that only a few men get to experience. And this comes after letting go of the stereotypical ways of and mannerisms in which you should live as a man according to society.
An insider just leaked in the DMs to SA Gossip Lab. They are claiming that they spotted Sizwe out and about in Broadacres looking very much with child. When asked for proof like photos maybe that really show what they were saying, they then said they couldn't snag one without being seen, but they pointed us to some very specific places to look, which is what her page. The source is saying that if you look at her recent telecom ads and vacation pictures, the so-called pregnancy is super visible there. So I went and checked, and this is the telecom ad that they were talking about. I don't know. What do you think, fam? Do you see anything? Maybe someone saw something and you'll let us know in the comment section. One thing I've seen is that Sizwe has always been private about her personal life, especially after her split from Mahlome Joyte. But fans are noticing that flaw and are assuming now that it is not just a good vacation, there's a little one on the way. She hasn't confirmed anything, but there's definitely a bump watch going on. People are looking to see if, was the source telling the truth or not? Things like that, so time will tell. Now let's take all of this and continue in the comment section. Also remember to subscribe, like, share. Until next time, bye and thank you for watching.